Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Mbia jirani yako napendeza. Hiyo ndio lugha yangu ya kanisani every Sunday. Tunapokutana tunaambiana unapendeza. Haleluya. Tunayo furaha kubwa sana siku ya leo kuweza kukusanya ndugu, majirani, wazazi tuweze kusherehekea siku ya leo. Basi sitasema mengi, ila nimependa niweze kwanza kumshukuru Mwenyezi Mungu ambaye ametuongoza kwenye hii jukumu ambayo tumeifanya kuanza hadi siku ya leo. Na zaidi naenda kuwashukuru watumishi wa Mungu ambao ni wazazi ambao wametukomalisha na ambao tumekaa chini ya miguu yao na ambao nimewaendea nikaomba radhi kwamba sikia leo waweze kuonekana. Wamevunja kila kitu ambacho wangekifanya leo uweza kufika mahali hapa. Basi nawashukuru wote waliofika mahali hapa na kuweza kuona neema ya Mungu. Yeye moja haingewezekana bila mkono wa Mungu. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Tunasema kwamba asante sana. Tutaingia ndani, tusherekee vizuri, tutaikaa, hakuna limit. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Usiku ukiingia kuna mataa yatawaka, usiwe na haraka, tuongee na Mungu awabariki sana kwa siku ya leo. Asante sana.
Ndagira ngo nshimire Pasteur Mechack na madamu wiwe. Pasteur Mechack, we are very, very proud of you and your wife. I can't tell you. I felt like I was about to cry. The reason why I was about to cry, we need people, we need to grow spiritually, but at the same time, we need to have a business minded. It's so hard to grow spiritually when you are poor. God did not call us just to be average people. God called us also to have more and more. And the way to have more is to have the spirit of creativity. Imana ntiyaduhamagaye kugira biki, Imana yaduhaye kugira byinshi. Rero ndashimira Mechack kuko Imana yamwaguye ikamuheza umutima wo gutekereza cyane. Ubundi abantu benshi bumva kuko abapasiteri bagomba kuba aribo bakene. Bumva kuko abapasiteri nibo bagomba gutembeza imodoka ziri cheap zigenda zifa every day. That's not true. Natwe tugomba kubaho neza. Rero Pasteur Mechack utubereye urugero rwiza papa. Imana iguheze umugisha. Number 2. Ndagira ngo basabe. Reka mbanza mvugira bitoro rya Hope of Life. Hope of Life, are you guys there? Yes. It has to be your permanent store. Please, kindly, I beg you. Sinshaka kuzabona muganda mwiruka akamuyandi ma store. This, I'm not selfish. I am not really selfish. Ariko ndababwiza ukuri. Impamvu mbivuze uyu ni umwana wacu. This is our son. That's number 1. Number 2, uyu ni umwana nubwo tutakibana, ariko he still love the ministry. He still support the ministry. I remember one day we were having the project in the church, and we met him in the Home Depot, and I was in the cashier, and I was about to pay. It was a lot of things that we bought from the church, and I said, please, Pastor, leave it. I will pay it all. I will pay it all. So, uyu ni umwana wacu. Papa, ndagira ngo ngusabe uzakomeza having this spirit yo guca bugufi. Amen. Nuca bugufi Imana izakuzamura. Iryo rizabe your secret hamwe na madamu wawe. That's number one. Number two, ndagira ngo usabe ko mu bintu byose uzunguka muri iyi store uzibuke kubitangamo icacumi cyawe. Number three, uzamenye gukora customer service nziza. Ibyo ni ibintu abantu batumva. Have a great better customer service. Abantu bazaseka ntibakazaza baza bakanyaraza. They need to make sure. Teach them how to be a good customer service. Learn how to attract the customers. So teach your people how to attract your customers. Ntabwo tuzishiramo ngo dusanga umuntu arimo arunama kuri telefone gusa. He is busy on Facebook, on YouTube, atamenye ku attracting. Teach them. Ndangiza. I truly believe ko I'll be also number one to be your customer in this store. Not only me, I will encourage the whole congregation to be part of this store. Iyi store izagomba ibe iyacu. Ndabashimira mwese mwaje. I love you guys and thank you. We love you. We are behind you. We support you. You and your wife. You guys, you are amazing pastors.